Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and today I'll be making for you Confit Byladi. So we'll first start off by making... To make this sauce, we're gonna use 4 Roma tomatoes that have been blanched and peeled and chopped right now. We have taken 1 onion and 1 clove of garlic and we've just cut it into small pieces. We've taken 3 red bell peppers and I've roasted them and de-seeded them, and I've also removed the skin from them. And I've taken 1 teaspoon of dried thyme and rosemary, and if you're using fresh thyme and rosemary, make sure you use 1 tablespoon. And I'm also going to be using 115 ml of vegetable stock and water. So here I have 115 ml of vegetable stock, my dried rosemary and thyme, my onions and garlic, and my bell peppers that I have roasted. Now that my sauce has been pureed, we will start on the assembly of Confit Byladi. And for that we need to thinly slice eggplant, green squash and yellow squash, and the tomatoes that I spoke about earlier. We need 2 tomatoes, 1 green squash, 1 yellow squash and 1 eggplant for this recipe, and we're all going to put it inside 1 ramekin. We're going to start with this layer of sauce inside it, and then we're going to arrange the vegetables onto it. Now I've poured the sauce into my ramekin, and we're going to arrange the vegetables in a certain order of eggplant, tomatoes, zucchini and the yellow squash, and we're just going to place it onto the thing. And we should make sure that you leave enough space between each vegetable to show off their colors. Now that we have arranged the Confit Byladi, we will be cooking at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes while covering it with parchment paper. Now we start plating our Confit Byladi. So first I just take a paring knife and run it through my dish, and I'll take the plate and I'll flip it over.